Yo, what's up, guys? So today I'm scalping XAUUSD on the 1 hours time frame. Okay. So guys, I deposited 100 USD and I'm scalping XAUUSD today. Okay, on 1 minute time frame. Okay. So guys, this is my setup. So guys, this is my setup. So guys, there is a strong rejection here. Okay, so there is a strong consolidation zone here, and then the market broke out of the level here. Okay, and also here is a resistance level on this 1 minute time frame. So market rejected from that immediately. It rejected from the level yet, so I waited for it to break out. So after the successful breakout, so I entered my trade. Okay, and I'm stacking up more positions. Okay, so guys, let's see how the market is gonna move, guys. Let's see how it's gonna move. So as it keeps dropping, I will keep stacking in more positions. Okay. So guys, I'm expecting it to drop down to this level here. So that's my first target. And my second target is at this level here. Okay, so what gave me confidence in this trade is that it is a downtrend here on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so it's reversed from here, and here is a big zone on the higher time frame. So it came retest on this zone 2 times and then started to drop. So I found a good entry to enter a short and then continue riding the trend with the big boys. Okay, so guys, let's see how it's gonna move. So let's see how it's gonna move. So I didn't just enter on the 1 minute time frame. I analyzed down from the 15 minute time frame, the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is where my analysis started from. Okay, so I started down from the 1 hour time frame down to the 1 minute time frame to enter my trade. Okay, so the reason why I entered on the 1 minute time frame is because of drawdown. Since the account is a very small account, I have to enter on the 1 minute time frame to avoid drawdown. Okay, so guys, let's see how it's gonna move, guys. So guys, as it keeps dropping, we'll keep adding more positions. Okay, so it is approaching our take profit one now, and then our big level which we are targeting is below here. Okay, so guys, my trade is now earning about $900 profit right now. Okay, so let's check the chart. So it really dropped. Okay, market broke the level. Okay, so market broke the level, went back again and retested. So it's about to drop again. Okay, it has already started dropping already. Okay, so guys, I'm expecting the market to still drop up to this level right here. Okay, but now it is running $1,500 right now. So and my target for this trade was 1,000. Okay, but now it is running 1,500, even $1,600 right now. So guys, I might close my trade at this level now. So this is why I love MT5. I can close my position with just one click. Okay, so guys, I've closed my trade $1,600 right now. Okay, so guys, my $100 is now $1,600. To flip an account, you need a broker that will gives you a high leverage. So check on this video description. I'm going to drop a link of my broker. Okay, so I use two brokers. I have a broker that offers up to 1,300 leverage and broker that offers up to 1 ratio unlimited leverage. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash like button and also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.